and gentlemen? Good. Yeah. Fellas, it's harsh to turn off every single bonus, let alone top slot with one. Fella, what do you mean turn off bonus? You think bonuses are turned on and turned off? Trace out with a 3x. Oh, really? And the entire session, no bonuses at all. My last spin's gonna be a crazy time 3x. All right, hey, I'll take it. I'll take it, good people. Woo! Woo! Show me the dollars. Woo! Show me the money, baby. Choose one of the flappers, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or yellow. And luck, guys. 600x after that 3x top slot multiplier. Come on, baby cash. It's time for us to get to the dollars. All right? Come on, dollars. Furnish the monies. Ladies and gentlemen, 600x, ba-bam, let's rock and roll. I hope you are confident in your decisions. Ah, look at that beautiful jazz. 300x for Team Yellow. Woo!
Watched Oz for the first time. For everyone who don't know, it's like the series about the jail, yeah, about the prison. And then I watched Prison Break, yeah. And you know, when I started watching Prison Break, after I watched Oz, I was like, what do you mean? So they call that prison? Like, after Oz, it looked like the kindergarten. 20x and a Pachinko. Yeah, it's literally felt like super, like, okay, sure. Can we? Please stop. Ho! What is that 20x and Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go. Let's have some fun. Oh, yes. That's what I like to see, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're talking about. Little fella, 3x and up. Come on, we don't want this 3s or 7s. Give me some spice here. Oh, come on. 20 is the high. I've seen that. 400x is the highest one. Oh, okay. The board is nice. Please no 60. Please, come on. Give me something good. Give me 400. We deserve 400. We deserve. Okay. Come on. Go to Poppy. Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got 400x here. Okay, maybe not the highest one, 4,310. When it's on the board, that was the highest multiplier. 60,000 euros for FC, so nicely done, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, that was a hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, legend. Oh. Thank you, guys. That was a good one.